the Hongqi E-HS9, a full-size electric sport utility vehicle from China's luxury brand Hongqi, has just completed its evaluation by the Euro NCAP assessment program, and the results are impressive. This luxury electric vehicle earned a 5-star safety rating, proving it is not just about bold looks and opulence, but also about protecting its passengers and other road users. In Euro NCAP's crash and safety tests, the E-HS9 scored 82% for adult occupant protection. That means in scenarios like frontal and side impacts, the vehicle does an excellent job at reducing injury risk. For child occupant protection, it received an even higher score of 87%, which speaks volumes about how well it handles car seat compatibility and rear passenger safety. One of the areas where the E-HS9 stood out was its active safety systems. With an 82% score in the Safety Assist category, the vehicle demonstrates its ability to prevent accidents using technologies such as autonomous emergency braking and lane keeping assistance. It also received a respectable 73% in protecting vulnerable road users like pedestrians and cyclists, thanks to its front-end design and sensors that detect movement around the car. However, there was one hiccup. During frontal impact tests, a small tear was noticed in the driver's airbag. Hongqi acted fast, improving its quality control at both the vehicle assembly plant and the airbag supplier to ensure that future production units meet even higher safety standards. Overall, the Hongqi E-HS9 has shown it is not just about being big and electric, it is also safe, smart, and future-ready. Whether you are driving alone, with family, or just sharing the road with others, this electric sport utility vehicle offers a solid layer of protection. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crash tests, vehicle safety updates, and more.